Welcome to DevOps Hands-On Training Online, one-click video series by Belinda Walia. In this video today, we'll create a bunch of Ubuntu VM machines for K3s cluster using multipass. Let's get started. So I have a bash script already. Let's run it. And now let's go through this bash script. What we are doing is using multipass technology, launching 3 machines named K3s master, K3s worker 1, K3s worker 2, with the appropriate CPU, memory, and the disk space. After the machines are created, we list these machines, and also we update the OS packages on each of these machines using apt package manager to their latest respective versions. And GitHub for this project is available at this URL presented on my screen. Let's go back to the terminal and let's see. 2 of the machines are already created. Average 20 seconds all it takes to create a VM. So we should have 3 machines running within a minute. I'm running this script on my Macbook Pro M4. And it has 128 gig of RAM, lots of storage, 2 terabyte I think, and 32 core CPU M4. And as you see now, we have the Ubuntu machines ready with their appropriate IP addresses, and the apt package manager is updating the machines with the latest OS packages and patching these machines. Now let's go to the task number 2 to create a Kubernetes cluster on these newly created machines. So let's wait for this process to finish. I have another bash script to create a cluster. So what we will do is we'll run this create cluster script, and you should have a Kubernetes cluster ready for testing, dev testing, or home lab within a couple of minutes. So, okay, yes, we're done. So now we will run the K3s cluster setups bash script, and as the machines are already created, so the bash script is clever enough to check if the appropriate VMs do not exist, it will create, but as they already exist, it's going to download the K3s on the master first and install the K3s service. And after the master is up and running, it will create 2 workers, install K3s on it, and attach them to the master. So let's wait for this. It shouldn't take that long. Usually it can take about a minute to finish this process. By the way, there is a README in the GitHub, and also a bunch of scripts which are appropriately created to manage the entire life cycle of this cluster. So you can also create a demo app to test the cluster if it's up and running, and also destroy the cluster when you don't need it. So so everything is there for learning, and I hope you will enjoy it. As you can see now, it has created the Kubernetes cluster already, and we can actually verify that if we do the export kubeconfig and do nodes first. Those nodes should be shown now. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, we have just the font size is a bit skewed, but you have three nodes here, and also you can see the pods are running. Yep, there is nginx ingress controller, core DNS, local path provisioner for storage, matrix server is running, and now what we can do is we can deploy a demo app in our cluster, and let's run that. And as you can see, if we go to the IP address or a demo domain, which is also added by this script, we have this added in our etc host file. Let's check that. grep k3s demo, and here we go. It's added the load balancer IP of that cluster automatically in etc host file, so you have a test application running. And let's see if the test application ingress is running. Yeah, it is up and running. As you can see, the load balancer IP has been assigned as well. And now if we go to that web page, you should see your demo app. So within a minute, you have a K3s cluster with nginx ingress and a demo app up and running, and with the nginx ingress controller. Thank you for watching this video.